Hey guys, showing you this chest bag is to carry, like, you put on the chest and travel, running or anywhere else, and it will keep your stuff in. So you can see, like, is a nice bag with a good back support and the covers, and this is like hold things, very nice design, so you can hold your mobiles or passports or any other important documents here, and other stuff. If you are going for travel or if you are running, you can keep all your mobile, headphones and everything. So this have this adjustable thing, so you can adjust it based on your need on the sides and stuff. And this is the back, also have a pocket just to store a towel or something. So this chest bag, like, fits really well, and you can use all these pockets comfortable, and can be helpful in your sports, like going for running or going for travel or anything else. So yeah, it's a nice chest bag for carrying stuff.